So, as what I have observed from the very findings of the report submitted by the expert committee, so it is our absolutely duties and responsibility to share among us so that we can discuss what is the negative observation in regards with this report, as I have seen that there is a contradictory which have submitted by the expert through the government. So I would like to continue as what I have observed, that as many as 442 representations considered by the expert committee were not persons whose identity was established, but rather were faceless submission made only on paper or email. So I would also like to put a third question so that I can get a satisfaction when the Honorable Chief Minister reply on this very subject which has been raised, as it is a gravity of situation which allow us to take this issue forward. Mr. Speaker, sir, I wish to refer to the recommendation number 1 in the report of expert committee, which says, and I quote from part 4, volume 19 at page 4110. This is part 4, volume 19, page 4110. That reservation should not solely be based on the population proportion of a tribe or caste. Now, we all know that resolution number PER, in bracket DOT, 222, in bracket /71, in bracket /138, dated 12 January 1972, which is the principal document in the state reservation policy, has conveyed the decision of the government at that time to make reservation in favor of the scheduled tribes and scheduled castes. And I quote from the 1972 resolution, keeping in view the inadequacy of representation of these communities in the services under the autonomous state of Meghalaya in terms of their population. Let me repeat this important phrase, in terms of their population. It is thus clear to everyone who reads the opening, who read the opening paragraphs of the 1972 resolution, that the reservation so decided was based on population. And in the context of today's enlightened understanding of affirmative action by the state, that reservation benefits should reach the most socially backward and economically disadvantaged section of society. The 1972 resolution is therefore totally outdated and need to be revamped. Now my question, Mr. Speaker, sir, is this: if the expert committee is of the views in its recommendation number 1 that reservation should not solely be based on the population proportion of a tribe or caste, then why has it in recommendation number 13 indicated, and I quote from part 4, volume 19 at page 4117 of the report, that the committee recommends retaining the 1972 reservation policy as it stands, and further in the same paragraph indicated that the committee also finds no compelling reason to modify the policy at this time. Is it not this a big contradiction in the report of the expert committee? Does not one recommendation clash with another? My last submission, Mr. Speaker, sir. Let it be very clear. Some may say that I am or someone, maybe we are communal. We are not communal, sir. This very resolution, 1972, it is communal. We are not communal, sir. We are not communal. We are being taught to love, not to hate. And this very subject which had been brought from time to time in this August House is not that we want to pull one community or to lift up one community, but we want to see the light of the day that this very state should lift up. So, with these 3 questions on same key aspect of the report of the expert committee, and I share them for honorable members of this August House to consider through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I also request the government to kindly give a detailed reply to the 3 questions I have raised in this 0 hours. Before I conclude, so once again, I dare to stand, to speak with authority and with responsibility. With these very few words, once again, I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and all the honorable members of this August House. Thank you.